Hello everyone, welcome to analyticsspike YouTube channel. Today's video I will discuss how to connect GTM with WordPress website. Step by step discussion. So let's start this video. Connect GTM for WordPress website. All step. First step, so firstly need to create a Google Tag Manager account. Second step, WordPress website, direct putting Google Tag Manager in theme by theme editor. Third step, paste Google Tag Manager coding user header or footer plugin for WordPress. Step 4, GTM for WP, a Google Tag Manager GTM plugin for WordPress. I will use these steps. So let's start. Firstly, we need to know why is GTM important. GTM is migrates this issue by allowing you to install, manage, and deploy marketing tags for within a software instead of in your website code. And this software inject code snippet and marketing tags into your website code only when necessary. So we won't accidentally break your website by testing something. How to create GTM account? What is GTM? GTM means Google Tag Manager. Tag Manager is a tag management system, TMS, that allows you to quickly and easily update measurements, codes, and related code fragment, collectively known as tags on your website or mobile app. Okay, let's start. How to create Google Tag Manager account? Let's start. Search on Google Tag Manager, then click this website. Then click sign in to Google Tag Manager. This is Google Tag Manager website. Then click create account. Then type your names, like your account type name, account's name. This is my account name. Select your country. Then click share data universally with Google and other apps. Click this. Then click what type of container you can create. You want to create. You want to create. I want to create web container. So click this web container. Then click create account. All Google Tag Manager terms and service agreement. You can read this agreement, or click I already read this agreement. Then I click check mark. Then click yes. Wait a little bit. This is Google Tag Manager account. This is a GTM ID. This is GTM ID. Then need to click copy this account. This is tags already. Tags, triggers, variables, folders already discussed previous video. You can check I button and watch this video. Okay. Then copy this GTM ID. Then go to our website dashboard, our WordPress website dashboard. This is my WordPress website. This is my website, WordPress website. I go to our website, my website dashboard. Then click plugin section. Then click add a new plugin. Then search on GTM. I need this plugin. Then install now. This plugin is GTM for WP, a Google Tag Manager GTM plugin for WordPress. Then active this plugin. This is plugin. Then click this plugin is active. Then click settings. Then paste your GTM ID. Then this is GTM ID. This is GTM ID. Copy. Then paste here. Paste. Then click on this setting is same. Click changes. Need to on it. Then click this save changes. Then go to website. Then reload this page. Then click this extension. Click this extension names Google Tag Assistant Legacy. Reload again. This is Google Tag Manager ID. Check ID. Last digit B6. B6 website ID. Tag assistant ID. B6 ID. Already done. To copy this website, then go to Google Tag Manager, then click preview, then paste website URL, then click connect. Go to Google Tag Manager preview option, then this is my website. All thing is okay. What are three main parts of Google Tag Manager? Tags, trigger, variables. Note already discussed previous video. You can click I button, then watch this video. How to connect GTM for WordPress? Go to Google Tag ID. Already done this part. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected to us on Facebook page, Twitter page. If you have any question, you can mail this ID, LinkedIn page. Thank you.